buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Don't be lazy now. Gotta walk my pet fish over here.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone.
Here we are outside in the rain. It's raining out. And what is going on? Animal abuse. That's what. These cows are out here in the cold, in the rain, dying. They're dying. Somebody call PETA. Hello?
Huh?
Hello, PETA?
What, you want some dick?
I know what I need to do. It's what PETA would have wanted.